Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Today we are going to start with the insert data function. Now we want to use mscript in Cloud Pages. We are using mscript in Cloud Pages. And I'm facing some challenges due to server are not available. I am not able to fix those things, but if it is execute, it will be insert data. Insert data function. Insert data we use in Cloud Pages. Not in content we want to. In mscript, we can write two sections. One is a content building and one is a Cloud Pages area. You can note down that these are the theory background. Insert a row in a data extension. Every time it will execute, it will be able to insert a single row record in data extension. It works in a learning page and SMS page. It generally works in a learning page and SMS page. SH. It takes three arguments. It takes general three arguments. One argument is data extension name. Data extension should be in double quote here. Data extension name mscript demo d. It is a data extension name. In this line, it is a customers is a data extension name. Next is name of the column, which column you want to insert. It is like first name. You want to give them value of the first name Raj, or first year customer ID. I want to insert customer ID value. It's the name of the column and value insert into the column. Value insert into here. Customer ID 20 and email value. Email will be, this is the email. Here is another query customer ID first name and it is a last name. It is a last name. And this is the way we should write. Percent is percent equal to, and if it is executed, it will be stored data into in that custom. It is a data extension. You can try out, but I am facing one error. As per troubleshooting, just showing will be tool work, but anyway, not able to see it is working. But tool you can just experiment whether it's working or not working, just experiment the steps. I am guiding you. I'm giving a sample. Today we are going to cover up and that mscript section. Next there is a one section is called SSHJ server side JavaScript. But before going to that, I will be move to Journey Builder. And then I will give you the task, go through the basic JavaScript object section from W3 school JSON section. You just go through what is called JavaScript object basic thing. Then you will be able to understand SSJ. Since you are not coding pure background and you need to go through basic JavaScript again, and then you will be understand. SSJ is at this level, we are ending here. And next section, we are moving to Journey Builder. What you need to do, you need to go to Cloud Pages. How to go to Cloud Pages? Not constantly. Again, this section will go to Cloud Web Studio, Cloud Pages. In Web Studio, you create a create collection, give a name, just any name you can give. You can give the builder Cloud Pages or any something. Do not give the page, give the underscore, that will be better. click on it. Now add content. Now we need to go to add content. Click here learning page, generally used in learning page, give a name. Blanks is safe. What we are going to do, we are going to change in the content. We need to go to the code view and content. Click on code view left side. You remove the all quotes existing quote, select it and make it blank. Complete all the whole quote. You can make it blank delete. Just you can write any text, hello, and then save and publish. Then you will write the just in text. Just write one text message, a hello or something. Just save it and publish it. Save and then she will publish. Save it, publish it. Part we are checking the page is working and publish immediately. Click on publish. It's working. New publisher. Next you can go again. Go to this code view. Instead of hello you writing, go to chat box. Go to chat box. Keep it in chat box. Zoom chat you can copy, write the code in it. But you need to change the double quotes. It will be changed. We need to write is percentage % equal double percentage, then equal symbol both side. Insert data is a function. Yes, insert data is a function. Here you may select input. Thing why it's not working because I'm skipped demo the customer ID. You can give the customer ID any other way, I think 2020. Anyway, it's save. You have to check the customer ID insert data. I'm skipping demo. The customer ID which asked you need to check on. You have copy paste or you have written by yourself. You've written yesterday. I think I've written by myself. Go to cloud page, then save. Already saved, I think. Click on landing page. Click on landing. Already you have saved it. Go to landing page. Which name you have given. New landing page. Just insert data. I think there is no place between the script and you can write same line also. That will look at double percentage. Then there is a insert you have written. Or there is, it should not have any place. No double percentage then equal. It will be not new line, it's the same line. Yes. And you can scroll it that. Now save it first, then down. You can see it will publish. We are facing an error. Let me check OMM function data. Insert data is not valid in content. This function only allowed in batch. This function is only allowed in non-batch context. Anyway, we accept the error, we will solve the problem. What happened? If it is executed, then it will be insert data. One record it will be insert in. I am going to skip demo D. It will be, if it is executed, it will definitely, this issue will be resolved. It will be executed a insert data with two field customer ID and test. We have not given all fields. If we given the all field data will be, I tried to troubleshoot but it's not get enough time. It is working. Is it done like? If we do, we need to put like this, like or like. We can try like this. We can set data without this. No, it will be not, because it is a dynamic content. It should be inside. It should be. No, it will be. It will look like a text. It will click it, look like it is a text. It is not treated as a dynamic one in a MS script. It is an MS script. It always starts with. We need to insert data in percentage. As per searching, it is telling that even it will be a little, it will run. Anyway, I hope this issue will be solved. If it is a result, then it will be stored in search just to understand the insert data. It is a code is like this for cloud pages. Everybody do it. It is not running, no problem. It will be solved. You can stop share screen. Ruby, I will be sharing a screen. I was doing it as well. Still, I got the error. Are we supposed to add the unsubscribe? No, it is not email. It is when you are writing mail. Think about when you are writing mail, then it is required. It is not email. It is a cloud page. Cloud page content. Earlier we have done cloud page. Cloud page means landing page. Landing page, it is content nothing. It is a HTML, but HTML is not dynamic. To make the dynamic, we are adding an AMS script here. Just showing some 1 minute. We need to do some Google. Invalid script exception. You need to write insert data, not date. You have written insert date. Date. It is insert data. It is left side title. Date data. Now 1 minute. Now error has been changed. How did it showing? Exact target OM function and error occur when attempting to execute insert imcrt. Function called C inner exception. It is error code. Inner exception exact target. Function execution. Exception insert data function is not valid. Content this function only allowed in a non-batch context function. 1 minute. Now stop share. Can you share this error code in the chat box? Share this error code description. Error code in chat box. What it is? Others, it is already search. While using insert data in the AMS script function, the following error appears. A script error occurred. An error occurred when attempting to execute insert data function called CInnerException. You will receive this message if you are attempting to use insert data AMS script function in an email. The insert data AMS script function should only be used within learning pages. We are using learning pages. SMS message space in mobile connect. Push message mobile push and message in group work. For emails insert data. Insert D function should be used. It is a similar function, but it is intended to be used for email message. We are using a cloud message. One minute. This string is SJS George. Anyway, it is not working, no problem. We will be definitely it will solve. We can proceed. That error. I definitely will find our solution. How do we learn here? Insert data amp script demo d customer ID. You need to write it. This is the insert data we use for cloud pages. Amp script in cloud pages. Next, we move to the next. Have you taken the screenshot of these pages in theory background? Please note it. If you have not noted, please note it. Help. Have you taken? No, not yet. Yes or no? Wait, one more time. Take time. Hurry up. Here number of column value pair used to build a search criteria number where customer ID there should be another. It is a value for first name, value for last name and customer ID. We need to give the another column. It will be the syntax update data query. Let me update the syntax. This is the way we need to write update data. It is a data extension name count. It is a we need to write. Email address. You can try it at the rate what I told you percentage. It can work and shake it. I ask you not to give the accurate V since you have it is set. You can try it percentage V. You can try whether it is a what for instance. Then write V. You can check it. It is showing query email address first name, new first name. We can just let me take this query if it is over 1 minute. Try it Cloud Bridges. Learning base. For update data ham script demo, it is an email. Same manner, I am kidding. Same manner. Anyway, if you just know that, we hope the solution will happen. This is the syntax. This is the I mean. This is all the noun-based one. This error meaning if we have any format issue, then only it will throw an error, function error, and then from JIT right. This is what I read it from this article. Anyway, sorry solution. See, functional utility is not with. I sent you something. I shall talk to you. If you are searching for inner, you will find something like format issue. Can you press like Ctrl F and then type inner? This function is allowed in noun-based context function. Anyway, I work on it. We hope we will find solution and different info. Do not worry, I will check it and find out the solution. This is syntax is absurd. What is absurd? In Salesforce, there is a concept called update, then there is a concept called absurd. Absurd means if it is checked the value is exists, then it will be update. If it is noted value not exists, then value will be insert. Absurd means update or insert. It depends upon existing row or insert. It is a data extension to update the existing row or insert if no matching record row is found. If no matching found, it is a first number 1. Number 2 is a fields of the columns evaluated string wire clause. It is treated as a wire clause. Number 3 is a field or column name that is used to evaluate the wire clause. Number 4 field or column used to evaluate the wire clause. These are the wire clause, wire clause, wire clause. Field and column name is to be inserted into the data extension, and field or column that is to be inserted into data extension. These are the first. It is a wire clause. How many function in absurd? If you go to the theory, it is a good example. It is a absurd data. Absurd data, it is a data extension name. Then it is a position. Name of the data extension. Update existing now number of fields or column number of fields. How many fields you want to update? It is a 1 field 1 column record. It is a 1 to update. Then it is a field wire email address, wire pass name. Then you need to write the what are the fields you are going to insert. This is the last name and phone number. This is the value you have to insert it. Syntax. It is a clearly explanation here. First is the patient. It is a name of the data extension where data will be updated or inserted. Only one column will be used to evaluate using wire clause. Only one column. Email address. The email address is the main send matches and existing email address like patient lead data extension. Then the absurd function will update this record. If no matching email address is found, then absurd data function will be insert a new record. Then pass name, field name, value pair, insert last name, phone number. If this is your data extension name, then it will award. It is a very good example. This article is very good. I am sharing with all of you. You can know TPT URL. Hello TPT. Upsert it is if it is anyway, upsert it is a data extension, it is one record. Then you need to write customer ID, then customer first name, then last name, then it is a value. You can check it. No issue, it is not executing, but it is a concept. This is the syntax, it is Amstead demo D. Once one problem solved, I hope every query will work. Save. Schedule and publish. Problem is the same. I hope once it will work, everybody will work. Publish. It is printing something. We can another experiment. Since it is another user, I am not a direct user. We are trying to insert, maybe access related issue maybe happen. I will do an experiment. One thing we can try to do. We can go for another data extension like student data extension. We can try. We can do it. Our data extension name is simply student. We can try it. Record. This is the data extension. Here data extension name is student. We can work with data extension name is student. Here student, here data extension student name. Student name. student name, student name. In Windows drag clause successful. Student, student, city, student, phone. Another thing, student, ID, student, city, student, phone. I just give me. Anyway, or if this is similar, silence. Anyway, it is an absurd data extension. Next, we will move to last is a delete. Note it, explanation of the delete. Delete data function. It is for delete. Delete means delete record in data extension that exactly matches the specified criteria. It works in learning phase and SMS message. It takes 3 arguments. First is the delete data extension name, then you need to write a column name, which column here customer is a column name, and then column name and column value. Suppose it is we want to delete record where customer ID is this is the customer ID. Delete query, delete data extension, and where customer ID is the customer ID value. This will be, if it is executed, it will delete one single record. It will be delete one single record. Just note it, everybody. Delete. I hope once a solution will find, all query will be executed. Just need to check. Everybody, please note it. Are you writing it? Please import. Yes? Go to W3 schools. I am showing you this section. You can go through W3 schools. 3 schools. After it, you will be able to understand, go through W3 schools, just this section. What is JSON? This is JavaScript. This is If you go through it, if you know it, then it will be easy to understand. What is JSON? Like it is how we can write an object using JavaScript. That is a JSON JavaScript object notation. How JavaScript object script JSON JS object. If you go through basic JavaScript, then you will be able to easily understand. Basic JavaScript. It says JS, you will be able to understand. That task you can do whenever you get some time. You can drop, no issue. Thank you. I just another one section I will move. Ruby, have you noted? Do you have my last? Yes, Sanjay, I have made a note. Definitely this query all of you can try. Maybe some small any understanding problem, but that will be resolved, I think. If it has happened, then what will happen? Like it will be delete, query will work, update will be work, insert will be work, update will be work. Every case is same problem. I hope it will be. We are quite in. Next, what I want to give you some tasks to you. There is a section is called SSJs. We have covered up AMP script section. There is another thing is called SSJs. What is the full form SSJs? Server-side JavaScript, server-side JavaScript. Then what is the difference between AMP script and JavaScript? It's server-side JavaScript. AMP script is Salesforce proprietary language. Whatever we use the AMP script, it is own things of the Salesforce. But SSJS JavaScript, it is a universal, it is every hire, it is true. It is based on JavaScript. And ECMAScript, what is JavaScript? They have a community, they have a worldwide organization which makes standard of the JavaScript. That is called ECMA, that operation name is ECMA. ECMAScript, they have released 2015 latest version ECMA ES6 or ECMAScript 3.0. Next is primarily used for email. Why do you use AMP script? AMP script we use primarily for email. You have noticed majorly AMP script function we have experimented in the email content. Another project we have done a cloud phases, that means web applications. AMP script uses places in email and cloud pages. But server-side JavaScript is used to deal with external data. Which is data is coming from Marketing Cloud, coming to Marketing Cloud from our external data. AMP script does not support JSON. JSON means suppose Ruby is an object. Ruby has a value key, like name is Ruby. Location is OK. Phone is phone number. Email is email value. This is the key value here that is called JSON object format protection. AMP script do not support JSON. JavaScript server-side JavaScript support JSON. User different functions are not allowed. What are the functions we have used in AMP script? All are predefined functions, no user-defined function. All functions, you can remember all functions we have used user-defined lookup function, lookup CS, all functions are user-defined function. Today, the function we have used insert data, update data, delete data, all are user-defined function. But server-side JavaScript, you can create your own functions like JavaScript functions. Array is not supported. We have not done any array related function and activities in array not supported. But this JavaScript use server-side, JavaScript use SSJ, use array support. Advanced exception handling is not available. only coupon code we have done. If it is not, we have one array 0 1 function. We have called object, we have called, but advanced exception handling, like other programming languages, think about Java or any other, there is exception handling mechanism like try catch handling, try and catch block. It is very common and popular for all programming languages. Try catch exception handling, it is not exactly in iMatix script, but it is in SSJ server-side JavaScript. It can use advanced exception handling JavaScript. That result, I am advising you before coming to it. We need to earlier. You can remember somewhere we have used the script runner server and insert JavaScript here. We will be used. It will be treated normal JavaScript and iMatix script in Marketing Cloud. We need to use the runner to server. Then it will be treated as a server. That is the reason its name is a server-side JavaScript. The moment you will write runner to server, then Marketing Cloud will understand. We are not going in depth and details. The moment you will be a little bit used to, init is a server-side JavaScript. Just at least go to the JSON object format. Then you will be able to understand. This section, you can do it, and later we will come back to SSJs later. Here now we have covered up an iMatix script. It is a very valuable, most valuable section inside Marketing Cloud Learning. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.